Ever pondered on the thought, is the universe expanding or contracting? Welcome to a conversation that transcends time and space, as we tackle the grand question of the universe's expansion. The universe, with its galaxies, stars, and infinite vastness, is a mystery that continues to baffle us. The answer to whether it's expanding or contracting holds profound implications for our understanding of the cosmos. So, tighten your seatbelts as we embark on this cosmic journey to explore the expansion of the universe. In simple terms, the universe isn't just spreading out, it's growing. Imagine blowing up a balloon. As you fill it with air, the surface expands, moving all points on the balloon farther apart from each other. This is similar to what's happening in our universe. Galaxies are not just moving away from each other, the very fabric of space itself is expanding. Now let's dive a little deeper into this concept. Picture the universe as a loaf of raisin bread dough. As the dough rises, the raisins, which represent galaxies, move farther apart. But it's not the raisins doing the moving on their own, it's the dough, or space, that's expanding and carrying the raisins along for the ride. This cosmic expansion is not something we can see with the naked eye. The distances involved are far too vast. But we have evidence that supports this theory, and one of the key pieces of evidence is the redshift of distant galaxies. Let's break this down. Light from distant galaxies appears to be redder than it should be. This is known as redshift. It happens because as the universe expands, the space between us and the galaxies also grows. This causes the light waves stretching and elongating, and as a result, they shift towards the red end of the electromagnetic spectrum, hence the term redshift. This redshift is observed in all directions, indicating that all galaxies are moving away from us and that the universe is expanding uniformly. This phenomenon was first noted by Edwin Hubble in the early 20th century, and has been confirmed by numerous observations since then. So what does this mean for our universe? It means that it's not static, it's not sitting still, it's in a constant state of change, of growth. It's a dynamic entity, always evolving, always surprising us in new and unexpected ways. So, far from being a static, unchanging entity, our universe is in a constant state of flux and growth. The fact that the universe is expanding presents some fascinating and somewhat mind-boggling implications. Let's dive right in and explore what these might be. First off, you might be picturing galaxies crashing into each other like cosmic bumper cars. But it's not quite like that. In reality, as the universe expands, galaxies are growing further apart. It's more like dots on a balloon that's being inflated. They all move away from each other. So, for the most part, galaxies avoid colliding, but there's a catch. The universe's expansion is accelerating. This is due to a mysterious force we call dark energy. If this acceleration continues, galaxies outside our local group will eventually move away so fast that their light won't even reach us. It's like they'll disappear from our cosmic horizon. This phenomenon is known as the Big Freeze, or the heat death of the universe. It's a future where the universe becomes a cold, dark, and lonely place. However, it's not all doom and gloom. This expansion also presents opportunities for discovery. It pushes the boundaries of our knowledge, forcing us to explore, innovate, and understand the universe in ways we never thought possible. Indeed, the expansion of the universe raises as many questions as it answers, making it one of the most intriguing topics in modern cosmology. The universe, as we've seen, is far from a static entity, but a dynamic, ever-expanding cosmos. We've journeyed through the concept of an expanding universe, a phenomenon backed by solid evidence like redshift and cosmic background radiation. This isn't an abstract idea confined to the chalkboards of physicists, but a tangible reality that shapes our cosmic surroundings. We delved into the implications of this expansion, exploring the fascinating though somewhat unsettling possibility of galaxies colliding. Yet, don't let your imagination run wild with science fiction scenarios. These cosmic collisions are less about star-on-star crashes and more about a dance of gravitational forces. The expanding universe raises intriguing questions. How can something infinite grow? What lies beyond its borders? While we may not have all the answers, the pursuit of these cosmic mysteries fuels our scientific exploration. This cosmic journey has only just begun. Subscribe to our Universal Universe channel for daily cosmic adventures.